Hello and welcome back to my channel. I just got home from work. It was a long day. Today is the second day of back-to-back events after work. So it's 8:30 and I'm just now getting home. I have some food on the stove and I was wearing like a really fancy dress because I went to a fancy event, but as soon as I got home I immediately took it off and put on a like sweatshirt and leggings. This sweatshirt is from Aerie a long time ago. It's really comfy because it's like a terry cloth type material on the inside. And then these leggings from Aritzia that are by the brand TNA that are like a purple maroon color. I absolutely love my Christmas tree and get so happy when I come home. I have some food on the stove, which I should probably check on. 1 second. All right, we're all good. Didn't burn anything. I'm just making some food because Nikki is coming. So I was actually at an event with Nikki. She was organizing it with her work. She actually works across the street from me right now, which is so cool. Well, we don't see each other as often as we thought we would working across the street from each other. We're like, oh, we'll go for coffee like every other day. Yeah, it doesn't quite happen because like the work day just catches up with you. But anyways, I went to an event tonight at her work, which was really cool to kind of like see where she works in a really cool place. So it's like cool to like be there and like it's nice to see someone in their element that you don't normally see in that element, I guess, if that's how I would explain it. But really proud of her. It's a really cool place to work and like she's doing really cool stuff. So she had to clean up from the event and now she's on her way over here and she's gonna sleep over. And so not only is this the first sleepover that I'm having here at my apartment, but it's my first sleepover on a work night with Nikki, so that's gonna be fun, and then we can go to work together in the morning. So anyways, I just made some food, but I also kind of need lunch for tomorrow anyway, so I like made food and then I'll bring some for lunch tomorrow too. This time of year is always interesting because there's so many events. Like December is holiday time, so there's always things after work. So it's really fun. Sometimes it can be tiring, but for the most part, it's really fun to see people that you haven't seen for most of the year, or just like a time to gather and celebrate. I'm just gonna put the food on the plate for her because she should be here any minute, and then I don't know, I guess we're gonna hang out. I do have a little bit of work to do, but make it work so we can still hang out. I wanted to say hi to the vlog. We're here, we're having a weeknight sleepover. Nikki was just in another vlog, one of the moving vlogs.
She just can't get rid of me.
We made the first official meal in this apartment together. Yeah. We're having the first official sleepover together. I wanted to decorate the Christmas tree together, but
it looks good though.
Thank you. When I was bringing it upstairs in the elevator, there was like this young couple that was in the elevator with me, and they saw like the pink branches sticking out and they're like, it's a very modern Christmas tree you have. And I was gonna tell them, I was so tempted to tell them that like when I bought this Christmas tree, it was just after I had my heart broken, so I was like, pink everything. But
you have a lot of green in here anyway.
Yeah. You know what, I'm thinking like another year or two with the pink Christmas tree, and then I'll upgrade to like a full-sized, regular colored Christmas tree.
Really I love it, yeah.
And then I could always just keep it in my bedroom or something, and then do like another tree out here.
It is modern, but it's not even pink, it's rose gold.
There's a difference.
And like with the presents and stuff.
Yeah, it was so funny. I sent my mom a picture after I put it up, and she was like, oh my god, presents already? And I was like, no, they're fake. But anyways, we're gonna wash up and go to sleep, and we gotta go to work tomorrow. Good morning! We are ready early. This is like not normal for me.
Yeah.
So we're gonna do an outfit of the day. You can tell that we both have a little bit of a different office kind of dress code. Do you want to start?
So this is from Forever 21.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know where the skirt's from. Probably like the Bay or something.
It's cute.
When I did my work shopping. Yeah, kept it simple.
What's your watch?
Jacob's watch.
Cute. I love this watch.
And that's
Does your battery still work?
In the watch? Yeah.
Yeah.
I actually
you replaced it. See, I didn't do that, and mine doesn't have a watch battery. My shirt is from Zara. It has really pretty like jeweled embellishments up here. So the little like crystals and pearls. Sometimes I button it like all the way for that look and then I'll put a necklace on, but it's kind of like a wrinkly fabric. The button down, I just kind of tucked the front in, and then these pants are from RW&Co. These are like my stretch pants. But good news, I ordered new dress pants on Black Friday, so my stuff should be coming in and I'm going to do a new like work clothing haul sometime soon, because I just feel like I'm tired of my pieces and I wanted to get some new ones as well as kind of upgrade some things. Because I think my outfit is a little bit more casual. Thank you. They're so comfy, like they feel like leggings, but I feel like they look more professional, like better than jeans, and I just wear them all the time.
I love R&W and they have really good sales.
Exactly, yeah, they were really good. And then I just kind of did a braid at the front just because I wanted my hair out of my face. That's it.
Cute.
A ring from Pandora. Pretty much it. A little bit of snow outside this morning and we're gonna start heading out. I don't know what kind of shoes to wear because I would normally wear boots and then I have my shoes at my desk, but I'm actually not going to my desk this morning. I'm going to another office for meetings till about 11, so I need to bring shoes, and I don't really want to carry around shoes and boots all day, so I may have to make, like, the snow is, it looked like it snowed overnight, but it looks like it kind of melted, so I should be okay if I don't wear boots. What are you laughing at?
That was my train, like the train that I normally take in the
morning. Yeah, you can kind of see the GO train from here, so that was the train.
Like, it arrived at that time, like at this time.
Wow. All right, like, so I guess that's our cue to go. All right, have a good day at work. Bye. I have no idea how to hold this package because it has my unit number all over it. So I just got home from work and I am cooking some food right now. It's in the oven. So I got a delivery today and it's some stuff that I ordered from Black Friday. I'm like slowly getting in all of my orders. They did take a little bit longer because there was a postal strike in Canada with Canada Post. So a lot of the packages did take longer to arrive. I'm just gonna keep the package over here because there's literally no angle that I could show you the package that you would not see where I live. I'm so excited because I ordered a ton of pajamas. I'll show you the ones that are just for me, but I did order some for gifts. And oh, I'm so excited. They look so cute. So I ordered this one here is a Christmas set. It's like a thermal set, so it's a long sleeve shirt and kind of like leggings. So they're so cute. They're gray and they have reindeers on it. Oh my god, I love this. This is so cute. My only hesitation is I feel like their sizes run big. Oh, these are from Lovey & Rose, if I didn't already say that. They had a buy one get one free for all of their sleepwear and I think a ton of their other items on Black Friday. So I got a few pairs of pajamas. I realized that I don't own matching sets of pajamas and it was something that I wanted to acquire this year. This is another set. So this one was $39.99. This one was, the sticker says $19.95, but I think it was $34.95 because it was the buy one get one free. So this was like my free item. Anyways, these are kind of like a red and black flannel. They kind of look a little bit different than they did online, but they're still really cute. I got this set, which is the same as like this style, but in a different color, and this is gray and pink, which I thought matched my condo and my Christmas tree. So I thought these were very, very festive for the season. Oh, I hope they fit well. Let me open these up. So I was originally looking at Victoria's Secret Pink at some of their really cute pajamas, especially for Black Friday. They did have some good deals, but these on Lovey & Rose were a way better deal with the buy one get one free. Obviously pajamas are supposed to be comfortable so they don't need to be form-fitting to your skin, but I did kind of want them to have a nice fit. That's cute. Looks pretty narrow. Pants, they look a little bit sheer and they're white, so see about that. So cute. So I'm excited for my Christmas pajamas. So that's my haul of pajamas. They have such a great deal for the holidays, and for they're like a really nice gift idea, like getting someone a gift set, especially because of their promotion price. That's $19.95 for a pajama set. So this would be a really great gift for even like a Kris Kringle or like Secret Santa gift at work, or something like that, or school, or with your friends, whatever you do. And usually some of the gifts that you get in like a Secret Santa, sometimes they're not always the best, but I feel like you can't go wrong with pajamas. Oh, my food is ready. Who doesn't love another pair of pajamas? These are really cute, and I will link them down below if I can, if they're still available on the website. Please tell me that I'm not the only one that will come home from work and immediately put on something comfy. And for me, that's usually pajamas, so that is why I wanted to get some new pajamas this year. So this is what they look like on. So the shirt is a little bit long, but I am quite short. I am 5'3", so, but surprisingly, the length of the pants are pretty good. The only thing is I am quite correct that the white is pretty sheer. Maybe that's why they made the shirt longer, so it kind of covers. I think they're really cute. I like them. I forgot to end the vlog yesterday. Nikki's actually coming back today because she had another event at work, so she's gonna end up staying here tonight, which is so much fun. And in spirit of that, I went grocery shopping because I needed food, but while I was there, I saw these and just had to get them. So these are the Pillsbury like ready to bake sugar cookies, the snowman ones. These are totally holiday, and it's not holiday season if you don't eat these. These are my guilty pleasure. Buy these for me and I will be your friend. I love these so much. Nikki really likes these too, so I was thinking, I know she's gonna get back really late. She might just be so tired and want to go to sleep, but if I had freshly baked warm cookies ready for when she came home, I think that would be the best surprise ever. And then aside from cookies, I got some arugula because I have tomatoes in my fridge and I have some chicken, so I think I'm gonna make chicken salad for dinner and then lunch tomorrow, because I just kind of needed a few quick things because I didn't have anything to eat tonight. I got a loaf of bread because I've been liking eating toast lately. So I got my flaxseed and quinoa bread, which is my favorite, and it's by the brand Country Harvest. And then finally, I got some bananas. These ones are pretty green, but I like the smaller bananas because I find they are the perfect portion. And I got some bananas for the week. So that's pretty much it. I've got a few other packages, but I'm actually gonna save them for a haul that I'm gonna do about some work clothing that I recently got, because on Black Friday, I did go a little bit crazy getting some new pieces for work to kind of upgrade my work wardrobe. It's that time of year where I kind of just feel stuck in a rut and feel like I'm wearing the same thing every day, so I wanted to get some new pieces since there was like super sales everywhere. And that's about it. So I'm gonna wrap up this vlog here. I hope you guys all enjoyed, and I will talk to you guys in my next one. Bye!